Apple TV Plus offers. Apple TV Plus provides various subscription offers, including free trials, discounts, and bundled deals to attract new users and enhance the streaming experience. These offers vary based on eligibility, promotions, and Apple device purchases. 7-day free trial for new subscribers. New users can sign up for a 7-day free trial to explore Apple TV Plus content. After the trial, the subscription renews at the standard monthly rate unless canceled. 3-month free trial with Apple device purchase. Customers who buy a new iPhone, iPad, Mac, or Apple TV receive a 3-month free trial of Apple TV Plus. The offer must be redeemed within 90 days of activating the new device. Apple One Bundle Offer. Apple TV Plus is included in Apple One, a bundle that also provides Apple Music, iCloud storage, and Apple Arcade in a single subscription. New Apple One users get a 1-month free trial before the paid plan begins. Student discount with Apple Music. Students who subscribe to Apple Music Student Plan receive Apple TV Plus for free as part of the subscription. This offer is valid as long as the student status is verified. Special promotions with partner services. Apple occasionally partners with telecom providers, retailers, and streaming services to offer extended free trials or discounts. Some promotions may provide 3 to 6 months of free Apple TV Plus for eligible customers. Discounted monthly subscription. Apple TV Plus has a standard subscription fee which remains competitive compared to other streaming services. Users can opt for a monthly plan or choose annual billing to save on long-term subscriptions. Family sharing option. A single Apple TV Plus subscription can be shared with up to 6 family members through Apple Family Sharing at no additional cost. Each user gets personalized recommendations and their own watch list. Apple TV Plus add-ons and premium content. Some content, such as rentals and additional channels, may require separate purchases within the Apple TV app. Users can subscribe to premium networks like Starz, Showtime, and Paramount Plus for an extra fee. Limited time offers and holiday discounts. Apple may introduce seasonal discounts or extended trials during holidays and special events. Checking Apple's promotions regularly helps users find the best deals. Apple TV Plus offers flexible subscription options, allowing users to experience its exclusive content through free trials, bundled plans, and family sharing. These promotions make it easier for users to access premium entertainment at an affordable price.